Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
What's up?
Once again, it's your boy G-Day.
Got Sam over here.
And we're back at you with another review. This time we have the Nike Dunk Low in the Plum colorway.
Yes, sir.
It's a very cool colorway, coming back for the first time since 2001. And there's a lot of history behind the shoe. As we just said, it originally released in 2001. It was a Japan exclusive, and it was part of the Ugly Duckling pack. And Nike decided to bring it back February of 2020. Just a really cool colorway, just bringing it back and showing us something from the archive.
Yeah, to be honest, and if you like skateboarding, then you know how prominent Dunks was back in the early 2000s. Mm-hmm. Like, this shoe just went through a lot of collabs and a lot of colorways, and it had its own wave, and actually helped define, sneaker culture in Nike. So we definitely appreciate this coming back in newer materials and fresher colors as well.
So what do you think about the colorway of the shoe? Me personally, I like it. It's, purple and red. The colors names are Barn, Daybreak, and Plum. Weird names for the colors, but I think the shoe itself looks really dope.
No, to be honest, I do love these colors. Like, I'm a big fan of purple, and just the way they put the layout. I always think with a shoe, if you have the layout perfectly integrated, light purple, the dark purple here, the barn color on the swoosh, and then a darker red on the laces, they just place it perfectly, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's a nice shoe that you could definitely just, break people's necks, as I like to say,
yeah.
With this shoe.
Despite the fact that it's so simple, it's just, I think also part of what makes the shoe so nice is the quality of it. I mean, it's something that I thought would just be a general release, but the suede is actually very nice. You can see when you rub it, it changes colors, so it's definitely a higher cut suede, and for a decent price, only $100. So.
Can't beat it, to be honest. Yeah, this shoe, I love the colorway. It's pretty good. What do you think about the style of the shoe? Like, how would you think the fits would look like with the shoe on?
I think you could wear this with a lot of different kind of things. I mostly would wear it with like a pretty much tonal outfits or something, like mostly all black with the purple and the red on the shoes to pop out. But you could, just throw on a lot of different stuff with it. There's red, there's purple that you could wear with it. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different things you could do with it.
I agree. Absolutely. I could see myself wearing this with shorts. We're based in Miami, so, we have plenty of fits with that. But this colorway is very neutral, and you'll be able to do a lot of styles with this colorway.
Yeah, and part of the fact of the shoe that makes it so wearable is the fact that you can kind of wear this shoe all day. It's not really the most comfortable shoe, but it's not uncomfortable. I think it is, a shoe that you could wear all day long. Fits true to size, not too narrow, not too long. Decent comfort.
Decent.
So as usual, we got to talk about the resale of a sneaker. This particular sneaker isn't too bad. The retail is $100. The resale right about now on StockX is sitting from anywhere from $230 to $250. We got them here in a size 5, and it goes for about the same price, $240 to $250. And the same pretty much goes for all of the other sizes. So not really too bad. I personally would like to cop a pair. I think $200 is a little steep for a Dunk, but in terms of the amount over the retail price of the shoe, it's not really too crazy.
Yeah, it's not too bad, and just having something nostalgic on your feet definitely is worth the price. And the Dunks are starting to on the wave.
Yeah.
So $200 to $250 is not bad.
1 to 10, what would you give this shoe?
To be honest, overall score, I would give it 7.5. 7.5. I just feel like Nike could have done more with it. And I give that score because that's my personal score, because, I have never really liked Dunks. I'm starting to like Dunks now. But I respect the shoe. But I feel like maybe due to the comfort, because now, we have all this new technology on our shoes, that brings down the score a lot for me. And also, I just feel it's like a very simple design. So I give it a 7.5 score. But it's still a great shoe, nonetheless.
I agree. I think I would give the shoe a 7 out of 10. It's a pretty run-of-the-mill colorway, and it's definitely something from a different era. It's not one of the newer styles of shoes that we see with crazy colors and graphics all over the place. And I mean, given the history of the shoe being from the Ugly Duckling pack, you can understand weird colors, I guess you could say, they chose for the shoe, and it definitely kind of sits out of place from the current style. And just like you said, comfort is a big deal in terms of retroing a shoe. I feel like you could retro a shoe and give it a new treatment in terms of comfort, and outside of the shoe it still look the same. We know it's a Nike Dunk and not an Air Dunk or a Zoom Dunk or anything like that, so it shouldn't have any technology in it, but I still feel like there are other ways that they can make the shoe more comfortable. Nike should try and explore more options.
Well, guys, thank you for tuning in. This is our review on the Nike Dunk Low Plum colorway. Definitely check us out, subscribe. We got more content coming in soon. We got this coming up next. And follow us on all social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and we're gonna be active. So I hope you guys stay active and stay tuned.